We're still
quarantined.
Oh, we didn't do a whole lot today. We ran and took Mr. Kenny a thing of lunch and give it to him so he could have some lunch. Just something to get out of the house. It was like a 30-minute drive and 30-minute drive back. But it got us out of the house, didn't it, baby girl? And we're going to sit outside a little while today. You'll see that in the video. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 300 subscribers.
Let's go!
Woo! We'll probably do another giveaway when we get there. So help us get to 300 subscribers. She's wanting to do a challenge. I'm not good with those.
Because you're a big baby.
Because I'm a big baby. Anyway, we want to thank all of our subscribers that are here, all of the people that are watching our channel. And yeah, even she says even her teachers watch her channel. So anyway, we're just gonna take y'all along for part of our day. He's over here.
He looks giant.
He looks giant. And you may have to spend some time outside today.
We can't because we're quarantined.
Well, you can go outside when you're quarantined. You can go out in your own yard when you're quarantined. Anyway, as far as quarantine goes, Easton is doing better. Back to his old self. Seems to be fine. Took him about 3 days to get over it.
More than that.
About 3 days. He was about better yesterday. Took me 2 weeks. But then again, I'm old. Yeah, he got it out of his system pretty fast. We did find out a bunch of the other kids at the theater have it too. Didn't we? Yep, he wasn't the only one that ended up with it. So we may take you guys outside with us here in a little while. I'm thinking about filling up my hummingbird feeders.
Can I help?
You can. Alright guys, I'm going to fix the hummingbird food. All I do to my hummingbird food is put water and sugar in it. I don't put any red food coloring or anything. I've heard it's not very good for the birds, and I've heard it's better for them just to have water and sugar. Here's the hummingbird feeders. They're just alike. I did have a bigger one. I don't know what I've done with it. I had a bigger one. And if you want your sugar to dissolve, you have to use hot water. So I use hot water, and then I put ice cubes in it to cool it off for the birds. Oh, sit down, pretty girl. Come on out here. I want to change that litter box today. I gotta get it changed. Okay, grab a hold of the door and I'll hold your hand. We made it, huh? Okay, let me go get the water.
Here is a beautiful view of the jungle.
Okay guys, so we're gonna take this. Can you hold that? Let's take the top off. There you go. Yeah. Set it right here. Hold that down there. Just leave it there. We'll put the top on. I hope I have enough sugar in it for them. Now I'll take the rest of this water and I'll put it in something and put it in the refrigerator. And then when I need to fill these up, I'll just get the pitcher out of the refrigerator and fill up the little containers. There we go.
My mama's gonna put the other butterfly thing up on the
Maybe we'll get some hummingbirds, huh?
yeah, hopefully.
Guys, it's an absolutely gorgeous day here. Look at that sky. I think we might get some hummingbirds soon. We'll have to wait and see. She's finally getting to get on her hoverboard. First time this spring. Don't run over my rose bush.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you.
Alyssa, tell them where we're going. Why are we going to Yamato?
For my stinking apartment.
My son loves Yamato. It's a Japanese place in town that has hibachi. And so we're going to get him Yamato. I don't make a habit of it, but he requested it. He sounded so pitiful that he wanted Yamato. So we're going to go get it for him. We got Easton's food, guys. And we got some sweet tea. And guys, this tea is so sweet. I think you could probably chew it. This has got a fudge pop.
You do too.
I do. You like it? Alyssa loves to sit outside, don't you, baby girl? It's one of my favorite things.
But I can't ride because I'm a hoverboard.
It died, didn't it? Look at Mom and smile. Gotcha. These crazy birds, guys, they're fighting over something.
And my mama was trying to make them not
Look,
fight.
look. Lord. It's like they don't even know we're here. They're flying around everywhere. Crazy. I'm telling you, it's freaking nuts.
My mama's even crazier.
I guess they're fighting over that nest. Just build another one. What's that darn show where the birds are attacking? The birds are attacking. Oh, Lord. Jeez. Attack of the birds. Look, there they go. Guys, there was 2 birds, then there was 3 birds, now there's 4 birds. And they're all trying to attack us. Okay, guys, we're going to have some green beans and some pork chops marinated in this. And I'm going to put them in a skillet and just, I almost dropped it, and just let them brown in a skillet, like sauteing them. I think they're going to be very good that way. And that's all we're going to have, because it's just me and Lissa eating. Easton had Yamato because he had me go get it. Alright guys, see, I just have it in a skillet with some oil, more Cheshire sauce, steakhouse, seasoning, Tony Chachere's, and I got some broccoli over here on the side I'm going to mix in with it. We got our green beans going over here in this pot. I hate when those things get in there, look. Guys, this is what... You can do it. You got it, baby girl. Good job. Okay, guys, this is what's for supper. Green beans and pork chops. I'm going to get her some ranch dressing to dip those in if she wants it. And, that's supper. Melissa's wanting to play a game tonight. We're going to do Boggle. And I'm not sure how you play it, but we're going to get it out and see. Okay, guys, you take the cards. There's one side has 3 letters, one side has 4. You take those cards and you take this the top one or whatever, and you put it over here on this board, and then it says look at each color of each letter on the card and find the letter cubes that have the same colors. Now look at those letter cubes to find the letters that match the card. Place the letter cubes on the game mat, spaces underneath the matching letters of the card. Complete the card by matching all of the letters to make a word. Now draw a card for the next player. But I think we're going to make it a little more interesting. We're going to roll the color and see if it lands on the letter. That way it'd be more fun. What color is the first letter?
White.
So which dice do we need?
White dice.
Right. And roll it in this box and we'll see if you, hang on, we'll see if you get the letter that we need. Roll it in that box. Okay, we got a Z. Is there a Z in that?
No.
You want to roll it again?
Yeah.
Y? Is there a Y on there? Is it a Y that you need?
No.
What letter do you need?
P.
P. Can you roll it again? Do it again.
Z.
Uh-oh, you got it. So put the P on one of these white things here. Take take this, pick it up, and place it on here. Make it where it's a P. There you go.
Pig.
We spelled pig. We finally got all the letters, didn't we? And that's how you do it. We don't really have anything else for our video today, guys. We might have some more stuff for tomorrow. Who knows? We hope you enjoyed our video.
Please like and subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up and peace.
Peace. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.